Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to apply to the bachelor's and master's degree programs at the University of Turku. Start by going to the University of Turku website. If you type www.utu.fi/degrees, you will see a list of all of the degree programs at the University of Turku. The application period is annually around January, and it is not possible to apply in other times. The application period is 2 weeks. You can choose between bachelor's and master's degree programs. Please choose the program you are interested in. On the right, you will see information about the program, such as the duration and contact information. By scrolling down, you will find more important information about applying. On each program page, you will also find the entry requirements. These include the general admission requirements as well as program or track-specific requirements. To apply, please click this button. This will direct you to Studyinfo.fi, which is the application portal used by the University of Turku. The application will be filled online. The real application form opens on the first day of the application period in January, so I will show you what the application form looks like in the test version. Please read these instructions on how to fill in the application form. On the top right, you will see how many fields you still need to fill in before submitting the application. Write the name of the program you wish to apply to and click Add. You can apply to a maximum of 6 programs, of which 3 can be at the University of Turku. You may be asked to answer similar questions several times if you're applying to more than one program. Please make sure you answer all questions. Fill in your personal details. A star next to a field means that it is a mandatory field and must be filled in. It is very important that you fill in your email address correctly, as it is the main communication channel to you. Next, you will be asked to give permissions for using your information in the admission process. Then, fill in your educational background. If you have not graduated from a Finnish educational institution, please choose between these 2 options for credentials completed outside Finland. If you are graduating after the application deadline, you may still apply and be admitted conditionally. In that case, enter the year you will graduate and the estimated graduation date. You must submit proof of graduation to the University of Turku via email by the beginning of August. Fill in the information about your degree and educational institution. You are required to upload a colored scan or good quality picture of your degree certificate and transcript of records. Please make sure the whole document is scanned properly, including the reverse side of the documents, so that it is clear and readable. If your documents are not in English, Finnish or Swedish, you must also attach a scan of the official translations. If you have completed your secondary education or vocational qualification, click Yes and choose the country where you completed your studies. About tuition fees. Choose the appropriate document you have from the given options. If you have none of the above, choose that as your answer. Remember to upload scans of the chosen document and your passport or identity card. Then you move on to the university-specific questions. Please enter the higher education degrees you hold or are currently completing. If you do not have your final degree certificate, you must attach a temporary certificate. First, include the details of the higher education degree which you use as the basis of your eligibility. In the next question, you can enter details of other degrees you have and wish to be also taken into account in the academic evaluation. Fill out the required information about your degree and educational institution. This email address can, for example, be to the registrar or controller of examinations. You can add several degrees to the application form if that is relevant for this application. The University of Turku offers scholarships to international degree students who are subject to the tuition fee. If you are subject to the tuition fee, please choose if you are applying for the available scholarships or not. Applicants must have sufficient English language skills and a certificate that proves those skills. Please choose between these options on how you are proving your English language skills, and upload the certificate. For each program or track, you will be asked program-specific questions. For example, in the program in Biomedical Sciences, you are required to write a motivation letter that answers these 4 topics. The letter can be a maximum of 4,000 characters long. You are also asked to describe your previous studies and your laboratory and research experience. For this program, you are also asked to provide 2 references. The referee may, for example, be a teacher or a supervisor. Please check that you have filled out the application correctly and read the consent information. The application must be submitted before the application period deadline. Please also notice the time of the day when the application form closes. After you have submitted the application, you will receive a confirmation email. You can make adjustments to your application during the application period. If you need to add or modify your attachments, you can do so 1 week after the application period ends. If you have any questions about the application process, you can read more at utu.fi/apply or contact the admission services at admissions@utu.fi. Start your future career at the University of Turku.